Hi guys, today I'm teaching you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Done. This is the Rubik's Cube. It has colors white, orange, yellow, red, blue and green. This is the edge. The edge has 1 and 2 sides. This is the corner. It has 1, 2, 3 sides. This is called the center. A Rubik's Cube has 6 centers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's scramble it up. 10 minutes later. The step to make a Rubik's Cube is to make a white cross, like this. First, you need to find the white and orange or white and green kind of edges. Then you're gonna put them up like this. Like this. White, blue, white, green, white, red, white, orange. Then you match the orange center. Then you bring it up to the white. You got to find the red and white edge and match it to the red center. Then as like the orange edge, bring it up to the white side. Then find the green and white edge and match it to the green center. Then as like the others, bring it up to the white. Then last, find the blue, match it. Step is to find the corner they match to orange, blue and white. There it is, orange, blue and white. Then bring it to the side with orange, blue and white. There's a step to bring it back down here. It is something like this. So you do it up this way, down like that. Like that. I'm doing it to this corner until the white side come to the white center, like this. Then keep on doing the methods to all the corners. Step to make a Rubik's Cube is to find orange and blue edge. There it is, orange and blue edge. Then bring it so it matches with the center, like that. Then do something like this. Now bring it down this way, this up and that way. And keep on doing it to all the centers until you solve all this like the end result of the part 1, how to solve the Rubik's video. See you in my next video and don't forget to subscribe.